I want to tell you a little story about myself. I got astigmatism 2 years ago. It was very difficult for me realizing that I wasn't looking, I wasn't watching, I wasn't having the sight I would have wanted for all my life, the 20/20 everyone wants. So I decided to go to the optometrist, and because I wasn't looking well, I wasn't watching the little numbers from far away. And in the same day, I got 2 different measurements of my sight, and they were different from each other in the same day. And that got me questioning about the vision and how a machine was telling different measurements in the same day. When I got to the first one, it was a high prescription. I remember it was about 260 and 240. I don't remember well. I remember well the second one, because this doctor told me, you have this astigmatism and you will be having glasses all your life. This is a heritage that you receive from your father, that he also has astigmatism. And I said, okay, forgetting about everything I learned in neuro-linguistic programming, I decided to believe in this doctor, and I bought a very nice pair of glasses because I was going to wear them all my life. And I really was not so happy, but then people start, oh, you look very good, you look intellectual, that's really nice. And I started to liking being with glasses, but something inside myself told me there's something better, but I didn't know where to find it. And one day, one very, very, very good day, my mother sent me an email, and I encountered with Ainhoa de Federico. This was one of the best days of my life, because I realized I could get rid of the glasses and I could recover my sight. And I was very happy when I received this email from my mother. I started the course, the 4 sessions course, the free one, and it was a revelation for me, getting to know that I could recover my sight without any surgeries, and I could recover and look again better every day. Since that moment, I stopped using my glasses. This was like remembering all the power I have in my mind to recover myself, to heal myself. And I said, there's something here more beyond of what I know, and I want to go deep inside it. So I bought the course, and then I started the certification that Ainhoa is giving, the first certification, because I wanted to go deep inside and understand everything about the clear vision method. If you're struggling and you don't know if this will work for you, I encourage you to go and find the story of Mayer Schneider or Aldous Huxley, who have recovered themselves from blindness and looking the world, watching again the world and these marvelous things about the landscape you can watch, the landscape you're losing without your glasses. Now, I'm really proud of myself because I could heal myself. It was very easy, but I've seen people in this certification that are struggling a lot more because they have much more symptoms that I had. So if you are one of these persons that has a lot of symptoms, I encourage you to go deeply inside yourself and look inside what's happening in your life, what has happened. Sorry, I'm Spanish speaking, so maybe I'm not speaking so well, but what has happened in your life that could give you this symptom that you are living today with, and what's the message behind the symptom that wants to tell you something about your life, something you are not looking, something you are not doing, that your heart is telling you with your body. If you want to listen to yourself and truly understand what's happening in your life, that you can't speak well, that you can't look, watch, and have a clear sight right now, I encourage you to take this course, because you're going to find tools, exercises, and information that can give you the hint to understand and recover from your symptoms that you have today and get a clear sight again in your life. Everyone that wants to do a deeply recovery of this sight, the clear sight, can do it. But the first thing you have to do is have the conviction, the attitude, and understand that you have inside yourself the healing power of recovering anything that happened. And if you start with your sight, believe me, it will be the greatest thing you can do. So go ahead, trust this program and join it, and get again a clear sight. A lot of hugs, kisses, and join the program with Ainhoa de Federico. Bye.